The scooter has a 300-pound weight capability, okay? So the seat's not big enough for a 300-pound person, but the seat is 17 inches wide by roughly 15 inches deep. So 15 deep, 17 wide, okay? The scooter is only 18 and a quarter inch wide. So it's only 18 and a quarter from here to here, okay? But remember, if you have the arms in here, I'm not even sure if I have the arms right. This might not be right. I might have put the arms on the wrong side. Well, we live and learn. I was wondering why they were facing out a little bit. So if I put this one over here, there we go. So if I put this one over here, instead of going out this way, it's more level. So your arms definitely you have one side for each arm, okay? I don't know if it tells you right or left, but you can see there's a bend here. So you want it to go towards the inside of your scooter so your arms are not, there you go. I'm going to tighten up the arms. So again, I'm going back to the scooter again, 18 and a half inch wide, it's about 37 inches long. With the arms on, your total width is 22 inches, 22. So if you take the arms off, you'll be at 18 and a quarter inches. So the arms are a little bit over the wheels. So remember, with your arms on, you're at 22 inches. With the arms off, you'll be at 18 and a quarter, somewhere around there, okay? So remember that for sure. The front tire is 6 inches solid. The back tire is 7 inch solid. This new model right here comes with suspension. You can see the yellow shocks back here, so it does have suspension now. Great. So this scooter has a little bit of suspension for the back, okay? You have your tip wheels there. On your controller up front, of course, like most scooters, you have your horn in case you get behind an 18-wheeler. You have your forward is down, and backward will be on this side, or you can do everything you can do forward or reverse from one side if you want, if you only have one hand, or this side also. You have a speed knob right here, it tells you how fast, slow to fast. You have 2 keys, and you have lights on here. They're red, orange, and green. When all the lights are on, you're full. As you go along, you'll lose the green lights. After you've been driving for a while, you'll start losing the orange light. And when you're in the red lights, means you're maybe an hour away from being empty, maybe, somewhere around there, okay? Now, if you ever want to put this scooter in neutral, you notice how it's in gear? You turn the power off, and right behind the scooter, I'll show you where it's at, all the way down over here, there's a red handle, pull it, push it in, and now your scooter is in neutral, okay? Always make sure that this is put back in gear. Your scooter will not go anywhere if you're not in gear. Back in gear, and you're ready to go. When you charge the scooter, you'll take your lithium charger scooter right here, battery charger, right here, and here's your port right here to charge the scooter. Right there is where you charge it, okay? Right in there. So this scooter has a total distance and travel time, it says in the manual, 13 and a half miles. That's a lot of distance for one little battery pack. 13 and a half miles, that's probably under good condition with someone normal weight, okay? You might get more, you might get less, it all depends how you drive your scooter, but 13 and a half miles on a battery charge. This scooter also, top speed is 3.7 miles an hour. 3.7 miles an hour is about walking, a little bit more than walking speed. So let's recap. We have here the Solax Transformer automatic scooter, okay? The front end is also adjustable right here. You see this little lever? So if you want to move this down or up closer to you, also this thing is adjustable up and down, okay? So I forgot to show you that earlier. So you can have it all the way up to here, all the way down to here, and you can adjust the height. Okay, so it makes more sense to have it this high, I had it too low. So again, this is the Transformer Solax automatic folding scooter with a 13.5 distance and battery charge. It is about 37 inches long. It's about 18.1 wide. If you put the arms, you're going to get 22 inches. If you take the arms out, you'll be within the wheelbase, 18.1. You can only charge the scooter from back here. This is where you charge your scooters. You have to have the battery pack in there for charging it. This scooter weighs 53 pounds when it's folded. If you take the battery pack out, it's probably going to be about 49 pounds. It's a battery pack is about 3 or 4 pounds, okay? So 53 pounds with everything folded together. If you take the battery pack out, then it's probably going to be closer to, as I said, 49 pounds. I think it weighs about 4 pounds. I may be off a pound or so. The tires are 6 inch in the front, 7 inch in the back. You get the charger, you get a fob, you get 2 keys, and you get a seat that's 17 wide by 15 deep. Remember that size. It does have a 300-pound weight capability, and this one does have the suspension. So I know we went a little long on this video today, but this was a little new to me, and I was trying to do it on the fly. Hopefully, we're able to help you. When you get yours, it'll be a lot easier than when I did it today. Thank you for watching, and give us a call if you want to have one of these in your house. So this is the Solax Transformer 4-wheel scooter. Top speed is 3.5 miles an hour. It's actually pretty peppy. I can feel the suspension a little bit in the back. You can see it right there. I can feel the suspension a little bit in the back. I can still feel the tire because these are small, hard tires. So it has a little bit of suspension. It has the yellow suspension on both sides in the back. So this is as sharp as it'll turn is right here like this. This is your best turning radius. I'm turning the wheel as much as I can right there. So 3.7 miles an hour is the top speed. And you have room for your feet all the way up to here. You can keep them here on the floorboard. You also have non-skid tape on the fender, and this is real solid, so you can actually put your feet all the way over here. As I said, the tiller is adjustable, and the height is adjustable in height also. So I have it all the way up right now, and I locked it, and I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. So for me, I'm 6 foot tall, 180. You can have an idea what it looks like. It'll take up to 300 pounds, but remember, the seat is only 17 inches wide by 15 deep. The arms are removable. They also flip up. They're removable, so you can stay within the 18-inch, 18.1 inch of the width of the scooter, okay? So this is the Solax Transformer, the new one with the suspension, and it's ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.